Namaskar. Hello and welcome to P Guru's channel. I'm your host Sri Iyer. Today I have with me Satya Sabarwal, who has been in the thick of things as far as Ram Setu notifying it as a national monument is concerned. Let us hear from him what happened at the court that day. And there are lots of things going around in the social media. I would like him to say, because he was a person present in the case at the court. Please go ahead, Satya.
Thank you, sir. So, Dr. Swamy had filed an application in the Honorable Supreme Court to declare Ram Setu a National Heritage Monument of national importance under the 1958 Act. This application was originally filed before COVID in 2019, but it was adjourned. It was adjourned on the request of the union most of the times because they sought time to file reply. After that, recently the matter was again listed on 19th of this month, where Dr. Swamy had argued that on the last date of hearing they had stated the counter affidavit is ready, but still they haven't filed. To that, the Union Solicitor General had made an undertaking before the court that the process is underway and soon Ram Setu will be examined by the union. To that, court ordered and has specifically directed the union that the decision taken by the union will be apprised to the Honorable Court, and in any case, if Dr. Swamy is not satisfied, he has the liberty to approach back to the court and raise his grievance. Thirdly, he also had the liberty to file additional documents with the government with respect to Ram Setu being declared a National Heritage Monument. Earlier, he also had a meeting with the Union Minister, Mr. Prahlad Patel, which he had clarified in the court that the entire meeting of his cabinet of the Ministry of Culture had taken place and he had placed everything on record before him. To this, the solicitor said, yes, the process is underway and soon it will be apprised to the court. This is what happened in the court, and after that, I have seen on multiple channels that specifically the name of the petitioner is not being mentioned, or the application is not being mentioned, or the person who argued is not being mentioned. It is very sad that one-sided information has been put out. Information has to be put out in toto, and it has to be clarified of who argued. It is very specifically written in the order. If anyone wants to read the order, he can see on Supreme Court's website. It is transferred case civil 27 of 2007. The matter is pending since 2007 and is still going on. It was transferred to the Honorable Supreme Court by order 17th July 2007 of the Honorable Supreme Court. So the matter is pending, and now the union has to apprise court of the decision that they have to take in the Ram Setu matter, and this has to be done within 2 weeks.
So there is a deliberate attempt, in my opinion, Satya,
Yes.
to try and grab credit. I mean, look, this is 15 years old, and this is, don't keep doing this thing because you're going to be caught. It may be possible, like what Abraham Lincoln said, you can fool some people all the time, all people some of the time. You cannot fool all the people all the time. I just wanted to bring this conversation with Satya out today to make sure that people understand what exactly happened. It's actually a big victory for Dr. Swamy because he has absolute, if he's not happy with the verbiage also, he can go back and say, no, this is how it should be. And again, people, please listen, especially those from Tamil Nadu. Ram Setu cannot be touched. There is no dredging, there is no canal being done. That is just not possible. I've been doing a series of videos on this about why it is such a shallow place. In fact, it is ecologically so perfect that it shields India from some of the tsunamis. People don't understand what they are trying to do. And anyway, Ram Setu is something that we have a direct link back to Rama. Thank you very much, Sarma.
Thank you, sir.
Satya, for taking time out.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Namaskar.